Idris Bello don come show for on top this video for on top the night Tokyo International Conference for African Development wey be TICAN night. As im come show say other African countries say they represent their own countries for inside their booth to come even show their cultures them for inside their booth. But when it come reach Nigerian booth, the booth dey very empty and nobody dey there to represent Nigeria. And now today will be August 20th, will be on Wednesday 2025. Now I show this video.
TICAN night. You can see different countries, Cameroon showcasing itself. You can see Cameroon showcasing itself. You can see Togo. You can see Senegal. You know, and you can see Sierra Leone. And then you come to, you can see Equatorial Guinea. And then you come to the giant of Africa. And there's 0 people there, 0.
This Nigerian pregnant woman wey her name be Ebere, wey carry 8 months pregnancy, don come dey show her talent to come dey do acrobatic somersault stunt to during wey be say they dey do their church program, and she come dey represent their team for the match pass. Wey her mama come send her voice note to come dey tell her say make she dey do those things small because she know say she get belle. Come later come dey pray for her, say she pray say she go deliver safely for this her pregnant.
Ebere, wetin happen? You weak today. Akpọ gị ka amara otu imere. Ya wuzie na ị nọ eme backflip na field. The Lord is your strength o. Ụbọchị ị ga-amụ nwa, ọ just riri warawa ka mamịrị. Taa ka ọ ga-adị n'aha Jesus.
Family and friends they don come dey jubilate as they come dey happy as they go carry their son and their brother wey be saying don spend 17 years for inside prison. They never see am at all. As the man come out to come dey thank God for everything. Say since say 17 years wey be saying don dey for inside prison. Say but finally he don come out. Now on Wednesday will be August 20th, 2025 for na im show this video. They don't catch this man with the employ to be manager for inside one filling station. Few weeks we say the employer now so the man don't utilize plenty money where they never really count. As they come pack the whole money take come out, come spread them for granted. Meanwhile the oga don't they trust and thinking say in they doing work. They never know say in they utilize plenty money from in your oga filling station.
Yeah, 1 year salary, how much?
Wait. Of another person's sweat.
This Nigerian husband and wife don't catch their house help around that kind 2 a.m. for night. Where the house help wake up, come enter inside kitchen, come carry one of their plates, come piece put inside, come carry the piece, come pour for inside the kitchen sink. Meanwhile, na CCTV camera, and they capture the house help. As they come out to come talk, say they not go ever employ house help again. Say God, this kind of thing, shocktalize them. Now, very early in the morning on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025, now they come out on Yandis.
That woman they come, my neighbor, she be police, they come. Then the estate security people they come too. 9 o'clock till 10 p.m. Watch film, do everything. Her own to just come inside here, sleep. In the morning, make she bath, come out. That's all she owes me.
The Nigerian Ogbonge actor wey name be Chief Fabian Adibe early in the morning on Wednesday will be August 20th, 2025 for in don come Pufayo at the age of 82 years as plenty of his fans and also in colleagues they don't come out come they wish and farewell come they talk say they go miss am for the plenty role wey say don't play for on top Nollywood movies them. Plenty people that for inside Choba don come they risk their life for that Choba junction for East-West Road for inside Port Harcourt to Rivers State. Last night will be on Tuesday, August 19th, 2025 as they go they fetch fuel after one fuel tanker lose control, come fall. As fuel come they pour, they come out. Now all of them come rush out, come go they fetch fuel.
Driver don't run.
This is live from Choba Junction. A tanker carrying fuel just collapsed.
This Delta State man don compose this picture of bad condition of this magistrate court wey dey for Efru inside Delta State as him come dey talk say him go court around that kind 9 a.m. to go judge a matter between him and one of him uncle wey dey threa ten him life. But only when he come reach there, him come shocktalize to come see the bad condition of the court. The Delta State Calabar Police Command they don't arrest 2 people. They will say they join body take fake their kidnap to collect money for their family members. Even one of them will say they form Fulani accent. When they pretend like say they flog the other one will say lie down for ground. And so police will arrest them on Wednesday, August 20th, 2025. Now arresting one issue come out on Yandi store.
I no go call them for your people. See, I go kill them for you here.
As they call for the ransom, speak and make them hear you.
Okay. Alhaji, I no go bring up on the money bar. I go kill them for your brother here. I say, here na my place. Here na Sambisa. If I no bring up for the money, I will kill them for your brother.
The governor of Niger State, Webi Mohammed Umaru Bako, don't come out to come the talk, saying get planned to change the Niger State and to stop the transportation of cow and goat to Lagos and also Ogun State markets. Instead, say they go process them for inside Mokwa market and also deliver them as frozen meat, package and well to send them. They go southwest. The Enugu State Calabar Police Command arrest one man wey im name be Obodagwike Dekpere Wisdom, 18 years old, wey go kidnap im 5 years old cousin brother, come kpai am, and Ike Dekpere with one other man wey be Sunday Michael, 24 years old. Na two of them take join body, dey kpai am. Na August 12, 2025, na Calabar Police arrest them. Natalie Rose Jones, wey be 50 years old woman wey dey live for inside Indiana, United States of America, they don arrest am on August 16, 2025 for after wey she travel go Washington DC to go plan. Say they go make sure say they go kidnap and also kpai the US president wey be Donald Trump.
This na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.